Hey everyone, and welcome to the Cars for Paul garage. This is where it all began 2 years ago. I'm doing this video. This is different to the video that I wanted to do on Monday. And the reason being is that I wanted to take some time to say thank you for all the support and messages that I had on the Thursday video. As you could probably tell, I was not in a good place on Thursday when I did that video. But from all your support and comments, it made me realize that this is not the end. It can't be the end. I had fully sort of come to the decision that I would not be able to do the channel. And the reason being is, like I said, car support has always been funded by my employer, my work. And over the last 2 years, this channel has potentially just broken even, because we've had cars that we made mistakes on, etc., that never got to the channel, and cars that should have done better but didn't do better. And I even sacrificed one or two of the cars, such as the Seat Leon, just to get content and to get another car on here. But one of the things that I've always found difficult to do with the channel is speed and consistency, because while I was working full-time, I literally had 8 hours over the weekend between Saturday and Sunday to make the videos, and that caused an issue in terms of the length of time it took to put the cars together. So for example, the S3 really should have been done over a couple of weeks. Well, not a couple of weeks, it would have taken a bit longer, but over a month that project should have been done and dusted. It's taken 4 months to do that because I've literally had just 8 hours each weekend, and bearing in mind I need to spend time with my wife and my family and other commitments, and that's it. So when I was thinking, right, okay, let's turn the channel and end it, I suddenly realized that actually I now have the perfect opportunity. So I can do two things. I can go and try and find another job, etc., etc. I can go down the route that I had planned to do, which is become a full-time window cleaner, or I can split my time. I can dedicate a lot more time to this channel, and that means you get much more content. And I've decided that with the support that I've been getting from you guys and for my videos, that I'm actually going to, for a short period of time, go all out for this channel and then see how it goes. And what I mean by that is I've got, like I said, a little bit of redundancy that buys me some time, and it means that I can just spend more time on the channel. Ideally, what I would like to do is put out 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and then you guys get a lot more content, and that will be reviews, salvage stuff, and product reviews and mods as well. The only way that's going to happen is if I get support from you guys. And so what I've done is I've set up a Patreon page. I had a Patreon page for the last 2 years, ever since I set the channel up, but I never did anything with it because, like I said, I was able to fund this channel from my income. Now that's disappeared, the Patreon page is the only way that we can fund this channel and going forward. And believe me, the plans that I have will really justify it, and I appreciate that so many of you are under the same situation as me, perhaps or have been furloughed or have lost your job. So I totally sympathize with you, because I know exactly how that feels. It'd just be a shame to end this channel at this juncture. We've got over 13,000 subscribers now, which is phenomenal, and that's no mean feat, and that's all because of your dedication, and I want to do so much more. So the Patreon channel is all set up, the links are below. I'm going to be really hitting it over the next few weeks, and there are several different levels. And what we've done with the Patreon, rather than the normal you'll get the videos early, etc., which you will, and they'll be ad free as well, we've introduced some levels that will give you more stuff. So essentially it's going to be a club. So it's going to be Club Cars for Paul. If you join our Patreon, you become a member of Club's Car for Paul. And what that's going to give you is, even at the basic level, and the basic level starts at $3, it's going to give you access to question time for me. I get so many questions on Instagram, Facebook, And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to only answer them if you're a patron, which is fair. And that gives the patron users that exclusive knowledge that I've worked with over the last few years, dealing with Salvage, and my time that I've been as a mechanic to help you to be able to be successful at buying salvage cars. The higher the level you go, the greater support that you will get, but everyone will be entitled to support. You're going to get early videos, like I mentioned. You're going to get behind the scene videos as well. You're going to know everything that's happening before everyone on YouTube does. We're still going to do the YouTube videos for everyone else who doesn't want to be a patron. However, those who are patrons are going to get an extra video. So each week there will be one extra video that only patron subscribers will get. And I think that's fair. Not only that, I'm writing an ebook. I've been writing an ebook for the last 6 months, but I haven't really had the time to progress it forward. But I now have the time. And I'm going to launch that in August, so it should be finished writing it by June, get it proofwritten, and then we'll publish it to as an ebook. Every one of you patrons, if you are on the basic tier, you'll get it for 50%. If you are on the next tier up, the plus tier, you'll get it for free. So plus tier and above, which is the $5 a month, you'll get it for free. So it's a lot of benefits that you're going to get, and we'll keep increasing the benefits. So we'll get your discount codes, you'll get access to websites that will give you valuable information, but we'll have that community that will be part of the club, so to speak. I'm also going to do, once we get established and back on our feet, going to do a tour. So we're going to get a bunch of you together, we're going to take our cars and we're going to drive them somewhere. That's just a few ideas that I have. I will be getting a van no matter what. And that van's going to help me to reduce the cost of bringing cars back and forth. We're going to get some budget cars in here as well. And if you're a patron member, you're going to have the opportunity to not only win some great prizes, so we're still going to be doing product reviews, but when we're done with those product reviews, we're going to offer them up to our patrons. But at least twice a year, we're going to do cars that we're going to offer to your patrons. Yes, you heard it. We're going to offer our patrons for our cars that we've finished on a project. They'll be the budget end cars. However, you're going to get a car, and all you have to do is be a patron. So I have to be very careful with that because of the YouTube laws, rules in terms of gifts. But we're going to work it out and make it work so that it will cost you nothing. You just have to be a Patreon on there. So there's lots that we're going to be offering. So I encourage you to do that. The link is below, and I'm going to be really featuring it heavy. I've set a goal. If we can get 1,500 Patreons for this site, that will allow me to do everything that I need to do, get you 3 videos a week, and be able to give our Patreons as well a lot of benefit from that. So that's my goal, 1,500 patrons. So even if you can only donate $3, which is because it's all in US dollars, I will appreciate that fully, because it will help me to continue running this channel and give you a lot more. I've got so many things that I need to do, that we'll do, and we'll get that done for you. Okay, so what do you need to do to become a Patreon? Click on the link below, and that's going to take you to our page. Sign up, and then you'll have access to, we've already got some posts on there, and we've got a video on the bath, which will be on YouTube, regular YouTube, next Monday. So that's how soon that you'll get the first video. So I'm aiming to try and get videos to patrons a week before they go live on YouTube, but you'll certainly get them early, and they'll be ad free. So lots of benefits on there. I hope that you will find it, well, you will find it. Trust me, you really will find it beneficial. They're tips and hints that you'll get. Plus the support. The support is in itself. Like I said, some people ask me a lot of questions. Really, the only way we can do this is via a subscription basis. So I'll leave the rest to you. In the meantime, once again, thank you for all the messages that I've been getting. Please continue to do so. And this is really, really important now. don't forget to subscribe if you're a casual viewer. And I tell you that because I have, of my views each week, 35% are subscribers, the rest are casual viewers. So subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button so you'll notify. Give this channel a like as well. If you give us a like, it really helps with the YouTube analytics and really pushes the channel so we can get more people on there. And really, the way I see it is that as we get more and more people, the more and more people that we get on the Patreon, basically what I'm going to do is give the people lower down on the budget scale. So we've got 5 different tiers. We'll give you more and more. And that's just to show my appreciation for everything that you've done. Now I'm going to show you 1 or 2 things, ideas that I have that's going to help in terms of helping you to decide whether you want to become a Patreon or not. Some ideas that I've got with the garage, and tell me what you think. Okay, so the current garage, as you can see, we've got 3 toolboxes around here. We've got the famous Sonic S8 toolbox, which is absolutely brilliant, that we've been using, and we've got the theatre bath, about to have a engine mod in there. It's getting a race chip. You will see that next Monday, but our patrons will see that as of Tuesday. But this part of the garage is the only part that we pretty much use. The rest of the garage is pretty much a bit of a junk really. We've got stuff all over the place. We've got old bits and bobs. So the plan here is to modify this. So here's my plan. This top part here is going to become a paint booth. So I'm going to commit to becoming a painter. You know, I've always avoided paint work, and I ship it off. Well, all of this here is going to be taken out, and we're going to convert this into a paint booth. I'm not going to get anyone to do it. I'm going to do it myself. I'm more than capable of doing that. You see what I can do with an S3. So making this into a paint booth is going to be easy. This here, what we're going to do is we're going to move that to here. So the entrance of the paint booth is going to be here. We're going to move this around the corner here, and that's going to allow us to have a workbench and then an entrance into the paint booth. Here, what we're going to do is we're going to fit some tools that's going to allow us to do some powder coating. So we're going to be able to powder coat brakes. I'm going to show you how we do that, and also we're going to do shot blasting. I got that from one of my subscribers. He made a suggestion, and I've had a lot of suggestions from you guys as well. Essentially, we're going to make this into a full workshop, and we're going to do it on a budget, and you're going to be able to see that. But the people who are going to benefit from seeing that will be the patrons. They will see it in full anger, and then regular YouTube will just give you sort of the highlights, etc. Lots of things happening here at the moment. Again, these are the kind of things that you'll see on the Patreon site. The YouTube main site will just be, we're not going to compromise what you guys are going to see, but it's going to be more focused on just straight content, etc. And we've already got our compressor. This compressor is pretty much set and ready for painting. We're just going to get a paint gun, and then we're good to go. So you can kind of see where we're going to be going with the channel. And now that I have the time, this is the best time. It's really now or never that we get this channel the exposure and the content that you want. And that's really important to me, giving you high quality content that you're going to enjoy time and time again. Something that I've never been able to do having a job. Now I have the opportunity to do so. So I can bail, and I'm definitely not going to do that because I want this channel to be a success. Or I can put in my all and give you free high quality videos each week where we're doing something that you benefit from, but more importantly, you enjoy. So it's all to you now, guys. Click on the link below, have a look at the benefits that we've put on our Patreon site. Become a patron. You will not regret it. I promise you that. We hit our target of 1,500, and straight away we go to 3 videos a week. And they will all come out at 4 p.m. 4 p.m, 5 p.m, 6 p.m. each evening, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you patrons will get an extra video, as well as all the behind the scenes stuff as well, which you're going to really benefit from. So, and we plan to be working with so many brands already. I started to talk to a few brands of and there's a lot of excitement there within the brands once we get out of this current situation. So I am really excited about what we can and do, and I don't think there's going to be any other channel in the UK that gives similar content because of there just won't be. So guys, it's up to you. So I really thank you for your support, and any of you who become part of our Patreon, and I've already got 2 guys who've signed up, so thank you for you two. And all our Patreons, what we'll do is we'll mention you at the end. You'll see a rolling credits, and those who obviously do the higher tiers will get personal mentions as well. So over to you guys. I hope you understand and enjoy what we are planning to do and support this channel going forward, and we will see you on our midweek one. So on our midweek video, we will be showing 1 or 2 videos that you guys have sent me in. Don't forget, you can send your videos in. Use the links below to transfer your video across, and then we'll feature you in our midweek for our 4 categories that we have. Sorry I've spoken so much on this video. I'll stop now, but have a good week. We'll see you on Thursday.